Department stores in Singapore are being encouraged to build their own exclusive brands as they look to survive not just during the coronavirus pandemic, but after. And this distinctiveness will have to be evident both online and off.
During the circuit breaker, department chain BHG sent its 120 staff for online classes to prepare them for its website and mobile commerce debut. Now it has its own platform with its own range of products on the way.
We need to have a clear branding that differentiates us from all the other department stores, plus the other retailers that are selling similar categories of products, be it home and living or apparel. Our approach is actually the total customer experience online and offline, because I think we believe that is the most significant development.
But taking on the online space with a standalone platform is not without risks. Japanese retailer Muji started an e-commerce platform in 2015, but closed it within 3 years due to low traction. To tide itself over the circuit breaker period, it joined e-marketplace Shopee.
We cannot operate our retail stores. Needless to say, the income is zero. In our previous setup, right, we took 1 year to launch our own EC platform. But over in this marketplace, right, we only have 1 month. It's very short time because we need to rush out to launch our products. Otherwise, like for example, my food, we have short expiry dates.
Muji still plans to launch its own e-commerce store soon, although it hasn't given a timeline. A retail expert says stores like it will have to set themselves apart.
The only times where department stores truly make a difference is when they have a curated brand set. They have a set of brands that are exclusive to them. There's an experience that is unique to them that you wouldn't get in any other dep store or any other sort of online channel. What makes department stores even more challenged is that they don't often have a differentiated reason for people to walk in. So you might curate the brands, but the brands don't belong to you.
This uniqueness has to extend offline as well, according to experts, to prepare for when shopping regains some normalcy. This could be in the form of a physical facelift or services that you can't get anywhere else.
Reason why someone might come into your store is you have an alteration service for your clothes. You have a fitting expert who helps you understand based on your style. So it's the curated services, again, I feel that will differentiate in the midterm. And almost every department store will need to identify that.